Switching from Boost Mobile involves porting your number to a new carrier. You'll need your account number and PIN. Your account number is typically your 10-digit phone number or a unique ID found on your bill, app, or by contacting customer service. The PIN is a 4-6-digit security code you created during account setup. You'll provide both to your new carrier to authorize the port out. Once you have your account number and PIN, contact your new carrier, such as AT&T or Verizon, and provide them with this information. The new carrier will then submit a port request to Boost Mobile on your behalf. Boost will verify your information and release your number. The porting process typically takes 1 to 3 business days, during which you may experience a temporary service interruption. Once the port is complete, your Boost Mobile service will automatically be canceled. While porting is free, failure to pay your Boost Mobile bills can result in the port request being denied. Keep an eye out for updates from your new provider.